Peace and blessings, fam. Do you want to learn the secret to achieving invisible crochet braid hairstyles that work for all hair types? Well, you are in luck today, because in this video, I am going to reveal the ultimate technique to creating stunning, undetectable crochet braids that blend together seamlessly. Whether you have thin, fine, thick, curly, straight, or even alopecia, this method is guaranteed to work wonders. Say hello to more natural, effortless look, and watch this video to the end to discover my secret to my invisible crochet braid hairstyle. Get ready to elevate your game. So as you can see, my client here, I have already start moisturizing and hydrating her hair as usual with what? I know you guys know, our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is infused with organic oils like tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, black seed oil. That is just to name a few. Yes, it is packed with all the essential oils that me and my granddaughter could get our hand on, because yes, G&G stands for grandmother and granddaughter. As you can see, I'm giving her a deep head and scalp massage, as I do with all my clients, and I also do my brush method. Yes, ladies, brushing our hair is super essential. Brushing your hair is very beneficial to hair growth, so you want to always make sure that you get that brushing in. If your stylist is not brushing your hair, just ask, and I'm sure she would incorporate that into your service. Yes, I do that with all my clients. And as you can see here, my client does have some hair breakage right here in the front. Her hair has been growing back tremendously, though, with our G&G and with her consistently coming in regularly to get her hair done. As you can see, her edges has grown so much on the sides, and you can see I braided those braids going down because, again, this is the most healthiest for her hair. Not braiding that hair back on them edges. No, no, no. That is going to put more tension, more stress, and more pulling. Yes, again, these are the invisible crochet braids. Invisible crochet braids are definitely a game changer for all hair types. They offer a versatile, low maintenance, and a stylish way to protect your hair while keeping it looking fabulous. This braid pattern. Yes, this is the braid pattern that I chose for her hair, and as you can see, those braids are not just going straight back. They do have a little curve in it, because I feel like it's better to have that curve to reduce, again, that tension. As you can see here, I'm going to be using this very durable weave cap. Actually, it's a weave cap, but you can use it for crochets, wigs, or for a weave. In this manner, we are going to be using it today for our crochet style, because it's thin, it's lightweight, it doesn't have a really heavy elastic around the perimeter, and definitely it has holes in it because, again, as always, ladies, we want our hair to be able to breathe while we have our hairstyles in. When it comes to achieving my invisible crochet braids, the key is to focus on blending the braids seamlessly. Yes, one technique is to try using the knotless method. That will help eliminate the bulkiness of traditional knots. Another tip is to choose a product that is lightweight. When you get your crochets in, you want to use something that doesn't leave a lot of residue. So I recommend using Lotta Body Setting Lotion. That is my all-time favorite. My ultimate goal is to protect her hair and do what? Make sure that I am not causing any additional hair loss. So yes, this is the crochet braids that we are going to be using. They're 100% all human hair. It is Naked. That is the name brand. It's a loose deep wave, and it is 12 inches long. It is wet and wavy, y'all. Yes, this is some wet and wavy invisible crochets. They are going to be absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see, this is how the tips look. This is the pre-loop. And yes, I love working with this hair. It is so gorgeous. It is soft. It doesn't shed. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't mat up. And look, it is wet and wavy. Yes, I love it. I mean, this hair is so easy to install. You can do this yourself right at home. Or if you want to be pampered and you want that service, you can please tap the link in the description below. And you can come on in and sit down and let me service your hair. Because as you guys all know, I love on hair because this is what I love doing. This is my passion. This is what warms my heart. And helping people is what I love to do. So as you can see, I am installing the crochets, and as always, I am crocheting mainly on the net and not her natural hair. So please take note. Look how I'm lifting that net up. I'm lifting that net up because I want to make sure that I am only grabbing the net. That way the weight, the tension, and the pulling can only be on this net. That's why I always use a durable net, something that's going to be long lasting for the style that she's going to be wearing. Yes, look at that. She's going to be able to pull this up into a natural looking ponytail. Oh my gosh, ladies, it's going to come out absolutely gorgeous. So just always remember that when you are doing crochets, to make sure that you are hydrating the hair after you finish. That is also going to give you a natural look. You don't want it to look really wiggy. You don't want it to shine too much. However, you don't want it to look dry as well. So I also recommend that my clients use baby oil. Yes, baby oil is very light. It gives the hair a nice smell as well as a nice shine. So as you can see here, I'm just filling in the gaps because of course I want this to look nice and full. I want her to be able to turn her head. I want her to be able to bend over, and you will not see the net. You will not see that she has any hair loss. Most of all, you want it to not look like crochets. You want this to be invisible. Yes, this is the invisible crochet braids. So as you can see here, I am applying my what? Lotta body. That's what I love to use. I mean, this Lotta body works perfect, especially on this hair. It gives it the volume that I wanted to have. It gives it the lustrous look that I wanted to have. And it holds. Yes, it holds all day. This is my go-to product of all times. So look, oh my gosh, look how beautiful this style looks. Look how gorgeous it came out. Absolutely beautiful. So this is my crochet braid, my invisible crochet braids. I want to thank you so much for watching, family. If you have any experiences with crochet braids, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, so that you can see all my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. So again, don't forget to tap that icon bell to turn on your notifications, and I will see you in my next video for more hair care tips, tricks, and look at this beautiful style. Oh my God, it's absolutely gorgeous, and you cannot even tell that they look like crochets. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. And so did she. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you love this video. I might look, just look at it. Look how it looks. Again, if you love this video, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Again, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Stay safe and stay blessed. West Coast finest hair and dance.